Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see what is mesh topology, how mesh topology works, merits of mesh topology and demerits of mesh topology. Here let's see what is mesh topology. So mesh topology is basically type of network where each node is connected to every other node. Means this node 1 is connected here to node 2, node 1 is connected here to node 3 and it is also connected to node 4. Here you can see all these nodes are connected to each other and they form pattern of mesh. So it is written here, each node is connected to every other node by direct links. Here all these nodes are connected with all other nodes by direct link. So there is no intermediate node between two nodes. Because of this type of pattern, this mesh topology is also called complete topology. So in mesh topology, for n nodes, there would be n into n minus 1 divided by 2 physical links, that is cables. And in this mesh topology, every node must have n minus 1 IO ports, where n is total number of nodes available in the network. And what is the total number of ports required in a network? It is n into n minus 1, where n is total number of nodes in the network. On the working of mesh topology, we can extract some merits. Here in mesh topology, multiple nodes can transmit data at the same time. Because of this, mesh topology can support high transmission of data, because every node is connected to every other nodes. It doesn't have traffic congestion problem. Here in mesh topology, there is direct communication between two links. Here we can say that the link between two nodes is not shared by some other nodes. Because of that, it supports high privacy. This mesh topology is very flexible because addition of new node is easy. Here you can add additional node here, and by adding that node here, you can connect that node to all other nodes by direct link. So adding the new node doesn't affect the existing structure of mesh topology or the existing nodes or the existing links of mesh topology. This mesh topology is robust in nature. If one link goes down, then rest of the network will not be affected. So because of direct connection between two nodes, we can say that we can easily identify the fault. And this mesh topology is again scalable in nature, that we can add any number of nodes there in the mesh topology. Means we can increase the number of nodes or we can increase the size of network. Because of these merits, this mesh topology can be applicable in both wired and the wireless type of network. Let's have the demerits of mesh topology. Here in mesh topology, all nodes are connected with each other. Because of that, it requires large amount of cable or the physical links. So length of cable is the demerit. Then second one is the costly. So each and every node is connected with each other. That's why the cost of network, especially the cost of cable, increases. Here in mesh topology, you have to connect every node with a direct link. That's why it is complex to set up. Because of that complex setup, this mesh topology needs high maintenance. Means you have to maintain every node in the mesh topology. Along with that, there is need to maintain all links between nodes. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.